Oh, right, all right. Yeah. Let's go. Say less, feeling so blessed. Everything's easy like a Sunday morning. Yeah, bet, thrift store best. Dress to impress, make them say, oh, Lord. I got a swag in the step. I got the joy in the flex. I got a swag in the step. In the step. The day just keeps getting better.
At pinagdaanan natin pareho. Pero magkasama pa din tayo ngayon.
Why don't we chase what's between us?
Dahil sa inyo, nakagraduate ako. Dahil sa inyo, mama. Your marriage will not be defined by the size of your struggles. It is not defined by the size of the problems or those worries na haharapin natin, but by the size of your commitment to overcome the struggles together. Take note, you have to overcome together.
I just wanna be close to your heart. This is where my healing finds its start.
Sarap ng Diyos sa mga saksi. Pinapangako sa inyo ni Clay po na alagaan kayo araw-araw.
I'm going all in over my head. I'm not scared to get drenched in your love.
Salamat at nag-stay ka sa akin through ups and downs. Kahit na sobrang strict nila, mama. Nalagpasan mo yung pagka-stricto nila. At nilabanan itong nirelasyon natin.
Because you will build up your family, you will build up your home, and it must be Christ-centered. If you want to make your marriage successful, it must be centered with Christ, not money, not the wealth na mayroon kayo. Mauubos yan. Mawawala yan. Okay? Not how strong you are, it's not about your looks. It is not about the power na mayroon kayo. But it must be Christ, the center of this relationship. Pinapangako ko na magpapag sa iyo sa hirap at ginawa sa bawat araw ng ating buhay. Pinapangako kong maging kasama mo, magsilbing kakampi, at magbigay ng pagmamahal na walang hanggan. Handa kong harapin ang hamon ng buhay na kasama ka. Mahal kita ng buong puso at kaluluwa at lamig paligid ng iyo. I love you. Thank you.
Naisa ako sa mga naging saksi ng success mo sa buhay, especially sa pag-aaral mo at kung paano mo pagsabayin ng business natin. Ang galing mo lang. Hindi pa man ganun kalaki ang business natin, alam ko in the future may mapupuntahan natin ang sakripisyo natin. I love you. Sana maging matatag pa tayo pareho para sa mga.
Over my head, I'm not scared to get drenched in your love. Wherever you go, God, I will follow.
Alright.
I'm I'm not scared to get lost in your love. Oh, I'm not scared to get lost in your
Krista Brand.